Hello and welcome everyone. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on a colorful journey through the garden's bounty. Vegetables are not just the earth's way of showcasing its vast palette, but also a cornerstone of our health. Today, we'll delve into the surprising health benefits of some of the most popular vegetables and discover delicious ways to incorporate them into our daily diets. Whether you're a vegetable lover or looking to add more greens and reds and yellows to your meals, you're in for a treat. So let's dive in and get ready to give your diet a vibrant boost. The versatile potato. First up, the beloved potato. Often unfairly maligned as just a starch, potatoes are actually brimming with nutrients. They're a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, especially with the skin on. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, while potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget the fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. How to enjoy them? Move beyond the deep fryer and try roasting potatoes with a touch of olive oil and your favorite herbs. Or, for a comforting dish, mash them with a little garlic and Greek yogurt instead of butter for a creamy, yet healthier option. The robust tomato. Next, let's talk tomatoes. These beauties are packed with vitamins C and K, potassium, and lycopene, a potent antioxidant that's been linked to maintain healthy cardiovascular systems. Lycopene is more readily available when tomatoes are cooked, so feel free to enjoy them both fresh and cooked. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile. Toss them in salads, blend them into soups, or make a homemade sauce for pasta. Cherry tomatoes make a great snack, and don't forget about the joys of a simple bruschetta with ripe tomatoes on toasted bread. The flavorful onion. Onions add more than just flavor to dishes. They're also rich in antioxidants and compounds like quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. They can help fight inflammation and boost immune health. Plus, cooking with onions is an easy way to add depth to any dish without adding excess calories. Incorporate onions into your diet by caramelizing them to bring out their natural sweetness, adding them to soups and stews, or using them in salads for a crisp bite. They're a staple ingredient in many cuisines around the world for a reason. The crunchy carrot. Carrots are not just good for your eyes. They're a fantastic source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, crucial for vision, skin health, and immune function. They also offer fiber, vitamin K1, and antioxidants. Enjoy carrots fries as a snack with hummus or peanut butter, roast them to bring out their natural sweetness, or grate them into salads and soups. And let's not forget carrot cake, a delicious way to sneak veggies into dessert. The nutritious broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins C and K, folate, and potassium. It contains sulforaphane, a compound with potent overall health benefits for your body. Plus, it's high in fiber, which is great for digestive health. Steam or roast broccoli to keep its nutritional profile intact. You can also blend it into soups for a creamy texture without the cream. For a tasty snack, try roasting broccoli florets with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. The colorful bell pepper. Bell peppers are not just a rainbow of colors. They're also full of vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin C supports immune health, while vitamin A is vital for vision and skin health. Add raw bell pepper slices to salads for a crunchy texture or stuff them with quinoa and vegetables for a hearty meal. They're also fantastic grilled or roasted, which brings out their natural sweetness. The crisp lettuce. Lettuce may seem light on nutrients due to its high water content, but it's actually a good source of vitamins A and K, essential for skin and bone health, respectively. It's also very low in calories, making it perfect for weight management. Use lettuce as a fresh base for salads, wrap it around proteins for a low-carb option, or add it to sandwiches for extra crunch. Different varieties like romaine, iceberg, and butterhead offer unique textures and flavors. The leafy spinach. Spinach is a leafy green superhero loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. It's great for bone health, muscle function, and has anti-inflammatory effects. The iron in spinach is better absorbed when eaten with vitamin C-rich foods, so consider adding some lemon juice to your spinach dishes. Incorporate spinach into your diet by adding it to smoothies, sautéing it with garlic as a side dish, or mixing it into pasta sauces and casseroles. Its mild flavor blends well in many dishes. The refreshing cucumber. Cucumbers are a hydrating vegetable full of water, vitamins K and C, and potassium. They're great for skin health and hydration, especially during hot weather. Enjoy cucumbers sliced in salads, infused in water for a refreshing drink, or as a crunchy snack with a dip. You can also pickle them for an added tang and longer shelf life. The sweet corn. Lastly, sweet corn is a summertime favorite, offering fiber, vitamins B and C, and essential minerals. It's also high in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for eye health. Grill corn on the cob for a smoky flavor, add it to salads for sweetness, or make a corn salsa. Corn also freezes well, so you can enjoy its goodness year-round. Conclusion: thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey through the garden's bounty. We hope you're inspired to include more of these nutritious and delicious vegetables in your daily meals. Remember, eating a variety of vegetables is key to a balanced diet and optimal health. We'd love to hear your favorite ways to enjoy these vegetables or any questions you may have. Make sure to write them in the comments section below. Let's continue to nourish our bodies with the best nature has to offer. Before we finish, make sure to visit Traverse Bay Farms at www.traversebayfarms.com. Traverse Bay Farms offers naturally award-winning gourmet food products including salsa, pumpkin butter, maple bacon jam, cherry juice concentrate, and more. Visit the website www.traversebayfarms.com or call toll-free 1-877-746-7477. Thanks and have a great day.